Fishycomics. Check online for the proper naming. It is a battery-operated 360-degree brush for the barbecue. 3 speeds by turning on. 3 to 4 hours of charge and hours of use. A medium speed, a low speed, and off. So what we're going to be doing is cleaning the barbecue by prepping. We have water. It is IP rated. And we're going to prep the barbecue with the brushes. As you can see, a nice close-up shot as cleaning the grill and preparing. Flip it around for the opposite side. Automatically cleans the barbecue. We'll come back after cooking and show you the rest of the cleaning. So we're cooking chicken, and we're going to clean the grill after the chicken is finally cooked. All right, barbecue's done, chicken's ready. Off the grill it comes. Cleaning with the brush is IP rated, so now we turn it on to the highest speed. Clean, clean, clean. The brush gets into the middle of the grills in between and cleans up nicely. All done, shut it off. The brush, barbecue brush, cleans the grill. Adjustable head by rotating at the bottom when it's on, just like so. It has 5 different LEDs for the battery power. High RPM, medium RPM, low RPM, and off in the USB-C charging area and the hanger. It's a multi-purpose brush, and it comes with 2 heads, one with metal bristles and one with plastic nylon bristles. We're going to open up and show you what you get inside the box. You get a set of gloves. They have blue on one side, grippy on the other side. They fit a medium-sized hand. And when changing out the bristle brush, open up the handle, grab firmly both sides, and pull. To change, be careful and place on by matching up the square close-up look going on and snapping into place. It'll click in. This is the locking mechanism that you're able to rotate 180 degrees. The top piece is adjustable all around, as you can see. The button here turns on for the highest RPM, medium RPM, low RPM, and off. And the charging indicator over here with the USB-C door, that IP-rated USB-C charging. We're given a cable for charging the unit. 410, 400 RPM for the highest speed, 350 RPM for the second speed, and 300 RPM for the low speed with 3 to 4 hours of rechargeable time. The brushes can be used up to 500 Fahrenheit in degrees. The metal brush is for the barbecue. The nylon brush is for countertops, scrubbing, and other areas. It is IP rated up to the USB-C port door. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for in your barbecue needs. Thank you for viewing.